Way back in 1989, as The Simpsons debuted, the onslaught of manufactured boy bands became a frightening reality. Your friends at Mazda were busy pulling the wraps off their bite-sized, fun-loving, topless MX-5 Miata. Just as Japanese automakers were turning the corner and headed to battle with their heavy hitters like the Supra, NSX 300ZX, and yet even Mazda's very own FD-RX-7, the newly unveiled NA Miata and its spunky little 1.6-liter four-cylinder offered a completely different sports car experience intended for the masses. Inspired by convertible British sports cars of the past, Mazda aimed to bring their small, lightweight, incredibly nimble sports car, sprinkled with a healthy dose of reliability, to market without a hefty price tag. Its modest power output was matched with a very capable suspension setup that helps create a worldwide phenomenon that continues to captivate drivers over 3 decades later as it thrives in its 4th generation. So successful was the Miata program that Guinness recognized it as the best-selling convertible 2-seater sports car of all time back in 2000. And to this day, there have been well over 1 million units sold around the world, and it served as the ideal first car for those in search of a traditional front-engine, rear-wheel drive convertible sports car, as well as empty nesters and most notably weekend autocross and track day enthusiasts. In 1997, the second iteration of the Miata, dubbed the NB chassis, was introduced, but it wouldn't hit the US market until 1999 officially. It carried a heftier curb weight, but was backed with a larger output engine, and like most sports cars of that era, did away with its pop-up headlights in lieu of a fixed version. Both the NA and NB versions remain popular choices, especially for those interested in exploring a well-stocked aftermarket. And chances are, if you have one or are thinking about getting one, new wheels are likely high on your to-do list. And that's exactly why we put together a detailed guide to what does and does not fit. Welcome to our most recent episode of Fit Check featuring the NA NB MX-5 Miata. If you've seen any of our other Fit Check episodes, you know that we break this down into multiple categories that start with a no-hassle fit that keeps things simple and easy, followed by a slight flex that offers a bit more wheel and tire, and all the wheel, which may require some massaging to make them work. We also include everyone's favorite yo-yo, or you're on your own, and that category demands you make aggressive changes to get them to work. But this time around, we're changing that to Goodwin's Got You. Our friends and MX-5 gurus, Goodwin Racing, offered some of their track-proven advice for an NA NB Miata destined for track action using extreme fitment for maximum traction. Let's get into it. Alright, so from the factory, the NA and NB Miata came with a bolt pattern of 4x100 and a hub size of 54.1 millimeters. This is important to keep in mind when we switch from factory wheels to aftermarket wheels. Also important to know when sourcing a hub-centric ring for the installation of your new wheels. Depending on which trim you have, the MX-5 Miata came from the factory with a few different factory options, including diameters of 14, 15, 16, and 17 inch, with widths either 6 inch or 7 inch. When choosing aftermarket wheels, we're going to want to stay with the diameter range of 15 to 17 inches, and it's important to note that maintaining an overall rolling diameter is crucial. If you need more information on that, check out this video here. Alright, first up, no hassle. For this category, we're going to recommend a squared setup with a range between 7 inches to 7.5 inches, with an offset of 30 and 40 millimeters. Basically, go as aggressive as you can with this offset for this category. Next up, our slight flex category steps things up a bit. In terms of both width and offset, providing a wider stance, let's go with a squared 8-inch width with an offset range between ET25 and ET40. This is sure to fill out those wheel wells better without even having to think about body mods like rolling fenders and or any suspension upgrades whatsoever. All the wheels for the Fearless, we're looking for an aggressive fitment for these Miatas with a squared setup of 8.5 inches with an offset between 25 and 38 millimeters. Keep in mind, at this sizing, you may need to make minor suspension tweaks and slight body or fender mods to make this work. And finally, as promised, we've got an additional category this time around from our friends at Goodwin Racing, who know everything there is to know about building competitive Miatas. Their first piece of advice for an aggressive MX-5 heading for the track? A squared setup. They tell us that narrower front wheels only add to the understeer issues and require additional suspension changes to clean that up. So if you're looking to outfit your Miata with much wider wheels, you'll want to stay the same size front and rears. A 15x9 35 is what is called the sweet spot for the offset, usually wrapped in a 225/45. Opting for this wheel and tire package requires coilovers with a 2.5 inch or smaller spring diameter to avoid the inside tire from touching the suspension. And yes, as you might expect, both the NA and NB chassis require a fender roll for this combo. Looking to break away from the factory restrictions entirely and add a set of fender flares, like those offered by Goodwin? Then you're able to squeeze a set of 1510 ET25 like the Goodwin exclusive Koenig Decagram. This requires cutting the fenders, installing the flares, as well as using a mallet or a grinder to massage a few of the hard points inside the wheel well. Oh, you want even more wheel? Goodwin is also where you can find a 1511 ET20. Yes, I said 1511 Decagram. Goodwin also offers plenty of brake upgrade kits, and your friends here at Koenig can also help. Just shoot us an email at fitment@koenigwheels.com and give us the details. Whether you want a street-friendly wheel and tire package or a grip monster, you've got a number of choices, and Koenig and Goodwin have plenty of options to pick from. This has been your latest episode of Fit Check on the NA/NB MX-5 Mazda Miata. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Like and subscribe. I'm Nick from Koenig. We'll catch you on the next one.